Learn how to make the Nigerian Akara with easy step-by-step guide, especially for beginners. Crispy on the outside and absolutely moist on the inside. Hello everyone and welcome back to Queen Varieties channel, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get instant notifications whenever I upload new videos. Feel free to share this video with your friends, loved ones and family members. Good morning everyone, and it's a very fresh and beautiful atmosphere from my window view this morning. As you can see, the plants are springing forth and the trees are as fresh as the morning dew. On the menu today is akara recipe, which my family will have as breakfast together with hot oats. So guys, let's get straight into the recipe. For this recipe, I will use black eye beans, which is popularly used in making akara recipe. You can also use the brown beans as substitute. So I'll be using exactly 900 grams of black eye beans. Transfer the beans to the sink and fill cold running water above the beans and soak for only 10 minutes before we deskin the beans. After 10 minutes of soaking the beans, now is the time to deskin the beans appropriately. And to do that, transfer the beans step by step into your blender, and with the help of the pause button, twist the button to blend the beans as I am illustrating in the video. Do that for about 7 to 10 times and you notice all the skin of the beans is out. Transfer to a bowl and set aside until it is required. Once you have completely deskinned the beans with the help of your blender, transfer to the sink and wash. Flow water continuously above the beans and you notice the bean skin floating above the water. Pour it out and then continue washing the beans until the beans completely becomes white without any skin left inside the beans. But guys, in case you notice some of the skin is still attached to the beans and maybe you're tired of washing the beans, don't be afraid or alarmed. You can still blend the beans like that and use it for the recipe. Usually, if I'm not making a video, what I do is to blend my akara with the skin of the beans and then eat it that way. I feel it's much healthier. But the original recipe requires that the skin of the beans be eliminated from it. So try your best as much as you can to deskin the beans. So wash the beans until you notice that the beans is completely white and then set it aside. So because the beans is known to cause bloating or causes gas in some people, we are going to be soaking the beans for about 4 to 6 hours. You can even soak for more hours, maybe up to 8 hours if you wish. So allow it to soak for at least 6 good hours before we begin the recipe. 4 to 6 hours later, and we are now ready to make the akara recipe. Guys, scoop little quantity of the beans little by little into your blender. Make sure the blender you'll be using is a very strong and quality blender. Add very tiny drop of water to aid the blending process. Remember guys, we soaked the beans for hours, so the beans grain is softer in texture, and so you do not need so much quantity of water to make the blending. So go ahead and add onions, ginger, pepper and garlic. You can also add crayfish or an egg for a more delicious taste and softer texture if you prefer. Add any cube of your choice for taste. Do not add salt until later guys. Once you're done blending all the beans to a paste, now using your spoon or a whisk, beat the batter continuously for about 10 to 15 good minutes for a more softer and smoother appearance. You can also use your mortar and pestle if you have it available, but instead I used my hand mixer to beat it appropriately to a smoother consistency. Finally add salt to taste and then mix again appropriately, and go ahead and add fresh peppers, onions and some spring onions for some crunch. Fold it in to combine effectively. Once you have mixed the batter completely, begin to scoop in the batter into a medium preheated oil. Make sure the oil is not too hot or your akara will not cook internally. The oil shouldn't be less hot or the akara will also soak too much oil. Temperature of the oil should just be at the right temperature, which is medium. Just regulate it in case it goes too high or too low. Fry the akara between 5 to 10 good minutes until you have achieved your favorite color, and place on paper towel to drain it. Continue repeating the same step until you have completely fried all the akara, and then set it aside. Remember to also fry on both sides guys. So once you fry the other area for about few minutes, you twist the akara up and down and then bait it with oil at the same time while you're frying, so that it will not be dry. Guys, remember that once you reach your own desired color, you set it aside. Some people like to eat the akara when it is light in appearance. Some like it when it is very dark in appearance. I like mine when it is on the medium range, not too light, not too dark. So guys, once you have reached your own preferred appearance, just set it out. Don't come to the comment section and tell me my own is too black or is too light. Just listen to what I am saying right now. Once you have reached your own desired color guys, just set it out of the oil. As you guys can see, our akara is looking already so beautiful. This is about the third batch I'll be frying. So I fried different batches, so you have to continue frying your akara until you have completely fried all your akara. Our akara is looking so delectable, delicious and sumptuous to the eyes. Imagine how this akara is going to taste, fresh from the hot oil, no adulterated preservatives. Guys, this akara is tasty. And guys, we used oats to water this akara down. It was a beautiful experience. This akara was crunchy on the outside and super moist on the inside, and guys, it was exceptionally delicious. So if you're a fan of akara, guys, then be sure to make this recipe. Thank you so much for joining me in today's episode, and I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get instant notifications whenever I upload new videos. Feel free to share my videos with your friends, loved ones, and family members.